Hey, in this video I'll show you how to create your own WhatsApp sticker. But before we start, if you appreciate me making a video just like this, just go ahead and give me a like. Also, subscribe if you're new. Okay, let's get started. To create your own WhatsApp sticker, the first step is go on your WhatsApp and choose one of your chats, then tap on it, and here click on the icon inside the text box at the bottom of your screen. Now you will see three options. The third option is the one you are looking for. Click on it, and here under this option you will see create. Tap on create, and now choose the photo that you want to create like a sticker. Tap on that photo, and when you swipe up at the bottom of your screen you will see several options, and with them you can make your sticker even better. And when you are ready, tap on done at the top left corner, and then tap on green send button at the bottom left. And that's all. If this video helped you out, please give me a like. Also subscribe if you're new.